Mbote. Hello and welcome to our lesson today. In our previous lesson, we covered counting numbers from number 81 up to 90. But prior to that, we have been counting numbers from 1 all the way to 90. So in today's lesson, I want us now to just top up. I want us to get up to the number 100. So because we reached number 90 in our previous lesson, which we called Tuku Libwa, so to pick from number 90 to number 91, I'll just need to add numbers to 90. So 90 is Tuku Libwa. So 91 will be Tuku Libwa na Moko. 92 is Tuku Libwa na Mibale. 93 is Tuku Libwa na Misato. 94 is Tuku Libwa na Minei. 95 is Tuku Libwa na Mitano. 96 is Tuku Libwa na Motoba. 97 is Tuku Libwa na Sambo. 98 is Tuku Libwa na Mwambe. 99 is Tuku Libwa na Libwa. Then 100 is Kama, or Kama Moko to mean 100. So let's just again take it. Tuku Libwa, that is number 90. Then Tuku Libwa na Moko, Tuku Libwa na Mibale, Tuku Libwa na Misato, Tuku Libwa na Minei, Tuku Libwa na Mitano, Tuku Libwa na Motoba, Tuku Libwa na Sambo, Tuku Libwa na Mwambe, Tuku Libwa na Libwa. Then we go to Kama. So Kama is 100. So basically that's how to count numbers from 91 to 100. All right, so that just caps up what we've been doing for the last 9 lessons, where we showed you how to count numbers. We began from number 1, which we said Moko. So if you remember the first 10 numbers, they have been extremely important in helping us to add on to more and more numbers as we do counting. So Moko is 1. Moko, Mibale, Misato, Minei, Mitano, Motoba, Sambo, Mwambe, Libwa, Zomi. And then we said that when you want to count from number 1 up to 20, we just say Zomi na. So Zomi is 10. So Zomi na Moko, Zomi na Mibale, Zomi na Misato, Zomi na Minei, Zomi na Mitano, Zomi na Motoba, Zomi na Sambo, Zomi na Mwambe, Zomi na Libwa. Then we reached Tuku Mibale. So now when you get to numbers from 20 and above, remember we just have a count of tens. So on those tens we add a number. That's why a number like 23 is Tuku Mibale na Misato. So that Tuku are tens. So Tuku Mibale are 2 tens, which we call 20. So therefore it is 20 and a number. So number 29 is Tuku Mibale na Libwa. Number 33 is Tuku Misato na Misato. So Tuku Misato, 3 tens and 3 on top of it. Tuku Misato na Misato. Number 45 is Tuku Minei na Mitano. Okay, Tuku Minei na Mitano. So that I have 4 tens, and then I have 5 added on the 4 tens. So what will 57 be? So we will have tens, group of tens up to number 5, and then we add 7. So it will be Tuku Mitano na Sambo. Tuku Mitano na Sambo. So that is 57. So what will 63 be? Okay, 63. So 63 will be tuku motoba na misato. Tuku motoba na misato. So it's just about having those tens and then we add a number on top of it. So 81 is tuku mwambe na moko. Tuku mwambe na moko. 89 is tuku mwambe na libua. Alright? And then we get up to the 90s, which we are calling tuku libua. So 95 is tuku libua na mitano. So that is how to just to slowly add onto the numbers, as long as you know the base. As long as you know which tens you're dealing with, then you mention those tens and you add a number on top of it. All right? So we do that up to kama moko. So kama moko is 100. So in our next lesson, I will be taking you through counting numbers between 101 and 1000. So we'll not count each and every unit because that will take such a long time, but I'll give you the general guide on how you count numbers between 100 to 1000. Just how do you say it? For example, if you have a number like 231, how do you say that in Lingala? So that will be for our next lesson. Now remember to hit the subscription button, but much more importantly, share this lesson with a group that you are in, with a friend, with a relative, with a classmate, so that they can have a little chance at learning the beautiful language that is Lingala, Melesi Mingi, which means thank you very much.